J babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create this simple everyday makeup look inspired by beautiful Thailand girls. Let's get started. First, I will be filling in my eyebrows with Maybelline New York's Brow Duo Pencil. Our goal is to have very simple, natural looking eyebrows, so try not to fill them in too dark.
Love you. 항상 바라보며 웃을 거야. 부끄러운 두 볼을 모를 거야. If your love 이젠 고백해. My love 이렇게 널.
Now I will be priming my eyelids with Milani's eyeshadow primer.
네가 정말 좋아.
For today's look, I will be using Morphe's 350 eyeshadow palette. This palette has all the natural and nude shade that you need. It is one of my favorite palettes. So first, I will be setting my lids with shade up front. Now, I will be adding shade Wannabe to the outer areas of my lids and slowly blend it in around my eyebrow bone.
네가 없이는 나 없는 거야. 온종일 너 때문에 행복해져. If your love
With a more pointed brush from BH Cosmetics brush kit, I will be applying shade Choco around the area where I would usually apply my eyeliner. Instead of drawing a wing, I will be applying this darker shade close to my lashes to create an eyeliner effect, then blending it out with a more soft and fluffy brush.
예쁜 내 맘 푹 안아줘. Just falling in love with you. 사랑에 빠졌어. Just falling in love with you. 너만을 사랑해. My love 이렇게 널 사랑해.
We are going for a more natural and simple look, so I will be using an eyeliner pencil from Ulta Beauty in a black-brown shade, and I will be using it to color in my waterline under my lashes. This will help make my eyes look more bigger. When curling my lashes, I am curling them more towards the end before applying my mascara. I will be using L'Oreal Paris Mascara in Black is Black. When applying, I will be applying more to the ends of the lashes and working my way in. This will help make the lashes look more thicker and fuller.
I love you. 나의 사랑이란 I love you.
Now I will be priming my face with Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Fixing Spray. I would like to thank Pony Effect for giving me the opportunity to use this foundation. It's honestly one of the best foundations I've used. So the packaging is super cute and convenient. It's perfect for travel. The foundation is very hydrating and it feels very nice and soft on the skin. Also, it smells really good too. Nature Republic has a really good concealer. I never knew this until recently. But anyways, the concealer is not cakey and it has a very decent coverage. I've only used a little and saw a huge difference under my eyes. You guys should definitely give it a try.
네가 정말 좋아. 이젠 나 네가 안아줄래. 붕덩 빠졌어. 예쁜 내 맘 푹 안아.
I wanted my skin to look more dewy and glowy, so I will be using L'Oreal Paris Glotion to highlight my face.
이젠 사랑이란 I need you.
Benefit Cosmetics honestly has so many great products. Their bronzer is such a winner. I am using it to contour my face and honestly, I only needed to use a little because it is so pigmented and it does the job with very little effort. Skin Food Setting Powder is amazing. Very soft and lightweighted and smells so good. I love how it looks on my face and the packaging is super cute. Now I will be applying some mascara to my bottom lashes. Peach Sea blushes are so pretty. Their colors are so cute and it looks amazing. I would carry this around with me all the time. iMovie lip tints are great. I love every color that they offer. So for this look, I will be using a shade close to my lip colors to create that natural look. Finishing it off with Morphe setting spray and that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all of my social media. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.